This, to my mind, is the easiest way to remember the speed, distance, time equation. Just write down speed equals kilometers or miles per hour, as we would normally say it. Put in a flat line for the word per. Miles are associated with distance, so we'll change the miles to distance, and hour is associated with time, so we'll change the hour to time. Now push the word time down underneath distance with the line in between. And there's your equation. Speed equals distance over time, or distance divided by time. Once we have this equation, we can do the cross multiplication dance with it. So if we want distance on its own, we can push the time across the equals into the multiply by position, where it becomes distance equals speed multiplied by time. And now if we want time on its own, we can push the speed back down into the divide by position, where it becomes time equals distance divided by speed. So what has really happened here? Cross multiplication really is a shortcut for doing the same on both sides of the equals to keep the equation balanced. Any number over 1 stays the same, so we can imagine speed over 1. This leaves us with two equal fractions, speed over 1 on one side and distance over time on the other. So by changing the sign from divide to multiply by as it moves across the equals, we are simply doing a shortcut for doing the same on both sides in order to keep this equation balanced. Just think of two equal fractions. Say 5 over 1 is equal to 10 over 2. If you move any of those numbers across the equals to the other side, you have to change the sign. So for example, if we move the 2 across the equals to the other side, it becomes 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. And that is a very simple example of what cross multiplication is. Simply adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing the same quantity on both sides of the equals in order to keep the equation balanced.